Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to book multiple learners into a public workshop. This video assumes you have workshops already set up and are familiar with the booking process found in the previous video. Starting from the workshop view page, click the Book Learners button and search for the first learner you wish to book. Click their name to take you to the workshop booking page. From here, underneath the learner's name, click the Add Contact icon. You can now search for and add the next learner to book in. Repeat this process until you have added all the learners you wish to book in to this page. If you mistakenly add a learner, simply click the Remove Contact icon next to the learner's name. Click Continue to proceed through the regular booking process, confirming the price for the bookings. On the booking confirmation page, I can easily send a template to all or selected bookings by marking the chosen checkboxes, or simply navigate back to the workshop overview. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to book multiple learners into a public workshop. The following video will demonstrate how to enroll learners into an in-house workshop.